Hey y'all, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move. In this one, we're covering the scissor step. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around to show you. All right, so the scissor step is you're gonna lean, you're gonna step out with the right, put your weight on it. It's almost like leaning into it. Lean to the right, step, shift your weight back to the left, and then cross over with the right. Okay, so again, out with the right, and I like to lean, right? Make sure that weight is on that right foot. Step with the left, shift your weight, and then cross over with the right. Okay, so 1 and 2. All right, I didn't mention, but you might have seen it. It's a 3 step, it's a triple step. You do it in 2 counts of music. Okay, so 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right. So we just do it to the left the same way. We step out with the left, put our weight on it, step right, shift your weight, and then cross over with the left. Okay. This move is in that Tamia line dance, y'all. It's pretty fun. And I know it's not really called Tamia, but I'm just saying that. All right. So to the left, starting with the left, put your weight on that left, lean, step, cross. Okay. So right scissor, right, left, cross right, left scissor, left, right, cross, left. Okay, so let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, scissor step. Hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you next time. Y'all be good. Mwah.